Initial leaks and detailed renders for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 series have emerged, painting a picture of what is shaping up to be one of the company's most compelling releases in recent years. The entire lineup is undergoing a significant strategic shift, beginning with a rebrand of its non-Ultra models. The base model will now be known as the Galaxy S26 Pro, a name change intended to better reflect its position in the market, while the Plus variant is being discontinued and replaced by the new Galaxy S26 Edge. This restructuring creates a more distinct three-tiered product family, with the Galaxy S26 Ultra firmly positioned as the ultimate flagship. A key point of differentiation within the new lineup will be the processor strategy. For the Galaxy S26 Pro, Samsung is expected to continue its dual-chip approach, equipping the device with its in-house Exynos 2600 processor in most global markets, while reserving the top-tier Qualcomm chip for select regions. However, for the premium Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is making a decisive move by equipping it exclusively with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor across all markets. This ensures a consistent, top-tier performance standard for its flagship. Built on TSMC's advanced Third-M process, this new Snapdragon chip has shown exceptional performance in early benchmarks, reportedly outperforming Apple's A19 Pro chip in demanding multi-core and gaming tests, signaling a major competitive advantage. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is poised to introduce several groundbreaking upgrades, particularly in its display technology. The screen size will see a slight increase to 6.89 inches and will utilize a new technology called COE's Color Filter on Encapsulation OLED. In practical terms, this innovation promises a display that is not only brighter and sharper, but also significantly more power efficient, which will contribute to better overall battery life. Alongside the hardware improvements and even thinner bezels, Samsung is introducing a highly practical software feature within One UI 8.5's a dynamic privacy display. This function can automatically detect when the user is in a public space and digitally obscure the screen from side viewing angles, protecting sensitive information without the need for a physical privacy filter. This can also be manually applied to specific applications, such as banking apps. For enhanced security, the camera system on the S26 Ultra is also receiving a substantial, meaningful upgrade. While it will retain the 200-megapixel main sensor from its predecessor, the lens aperture is being significantly widened to f1.4 from f1.7. This larger aperture will allow the sensor to capture considerably more light, resulting in more detailed and clearer photos in low light conditions, as well as producing a more natural and aesthetically pleasing background blur or bokeh in all shots. Further enhancements include a brighter f2.9 aperture for the 5x telephoto lens and an upgrade for the 3x telephoto sensor to a new 12-megapixel unit. Powering these advancements is a larger 500 mAh battery. In a long-awaited move, Samsung is finally upgrading its fast charging capabilities, with the S26 Ultra supporting 65W charging, which will dramatically reduce the time it takes to recharge the device from 0 to full. Regarding the device's physical appearance, accurate renders provided by the reliable Leaker-on-Leaks have clarified its design, dispelling confusion caused by various fake AI-generated images circulating online. The overall design language is an evolution of the previous model, focusing on refinement. The entire series, including the S26 Pro and S26 Edge, is expected to launch in January 2026, running One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. The Galaxy S26 Pro is projected to start at around $800, the Galaxy S26 Edge at approximately $1,000, and the flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to have a starting price of around $1,300.